A ray of light incident at the point -2, -1 gets reflected from the tangents at 0, -1 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. The reflected ray touches the circle. Find the equation of the line along which the incident ray is moved. So here there is a circle, standard circle, x square plus y square is equal to 1. So let's consider this is a circle, standard circle with 0, 0 center and radius is 1 unit. And here is the point 0, -1. So this is the point A. A ray of light incident at the point -2, -1 will be so this is a 0, -1, 0 point, and -2, -1 will be here. Now a ray of light is incident. At this point gets reflected from the tangents. This is the tangent of a circle to the circle. The reflected ray touches the circle. Then we had reflected ray touches the circle. Find the equation of the line along which the incident ray is moved. So we need to find this equation. Okay, now let's find the equation of a line. Equation of a line passing through the point. Say this is the point P, -2, -1, and having a slope m. Slope of tangent let us consider to be m. So we had y minus y1, that is y minus of -1 is equal to m into x minus of -2, that is y plus 1 is equal to m times of x plus 2. It's a tangent equation, and this tangent equation, it can be either this line PA or we can say PB. We can consider to be PA is also a tangent and PB is also tangent. Both are passing through the point P, 2, -1, and having the slope m. And let's find the slope of these two lines. Since the perpendicular distance from a point to the line, from the center of a circle to the tangent, either here or here, it will be equal to radius of the circle. So this equation can also be written mx minus y plus 2m minus 1 equals to 0. So let's find the perpendicular distance from the center 0, 0 to this line. So which is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 2m minus 1 upon root over m square plus minus 1 whole square, which equals to 1 unit. Or squaring on both sides. On squaring on both sides, you will get 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1, or on simplifying 4m square plus 1 minus 4m is equal to m square plus 1, which implies 3m square minus 4m is equal to 0, or by taking m common, 3m minus 4 equals to 0. whereby we consider m is equal to 0 or 4 by 3. So we are getting slope m is equal to 0. So clearly we can say the slope of horizontal line, it can be 0. So this is 0, and slope of another line PB we can consider to be the another slope, that is 4 upon 3. So we can consider the slope is 4 by 3. So tan, suppose if I consider this is theta, it's the same as inclination. So tan theta is equal to 4 by 3 for the reflected ray. So tan theta is equal to 4 upon 3. And now, since we know angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, so this angle is equal to 90 minus theta, and this is also same 90 minus theta, and this will be equal to theta. So for the inclination purpose, we can consider the angle to be from here to here, that is total pi minus theta. So let me consider this point is C. So slope of PC can be taken as a tangent of the inclination, that is pi minus theta, which equals to minus tan theta, that is minus 4 by 3. So we got the slope, and we know the point P minus 2 comma minus 1, and hence we can write the equation of incident ray. We can write equation of incident ray PC is equal to y plus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 3 times of x minus of minus 1, that is x plus 2, that is 3y plus 3 is equal to minus 4x minus 8. So which implies 4x plus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0 is the required equation. It's an equation of incident ray, that is PC.